The secret to attraction and deep connection. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Kathreen Carter, a urologist, and today, we're diving into a topic that has crossed many men's minds. What truly captivates women when it comes to attraction and intimacy? Over the years, I've listened to countless experiences and learned that attraction goes far beyond size or appearance. What women genuinely crave might surprise you. It's not just about physical traits, but the energy, confidence, and care you bring into intimacy. In this video, I'll break down 5 crucial aspects that make a man truly desirable, both in and out of the bedroom. The last one is especially important, so stick around until the end. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel for more insights on health, relationships, and sexuality. If you find this video valuable, give it a like so others can benefit, and drop a comment with a 1. If this topic speaks to you. A story that reveals the truth. Let me share a story that sheds light on what truly makes a lasting impression in intimacy. One evening in the park, I noticed an older gentleman who always sat on the same bench, watching the world go by. One day, he gestured for a younger man, who looked troubled, to sit beside him. The young man hesitated, but eventually opened up about his struggles. He felt inadequate, unsure if he could truly satisfy his partner. The older man chuckled knowingly and said, "Son, attraction is like tending a garden. If you don't nurture it, it withers." He explained that after 50 years of marriage, he had learned that it's not about grand gestures. It's about consistent, attentive care. It's not just about giving water. It's knowing when to offer shade and when to provide warmth. This simple wisdom reminds us that true attraction isn't about what you have, but how you nurture the experience. First point. Self-care is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Many believe that size is the ultimate factor in attraction, but the truth is, self-care is what truly sets a man apart. Think of attraction like a luxurious home. It doesn't matter how large it is if it's unkempt. Women notice grooming, cleanliness, scent, and how well you carry yourself. A well-maintained man is like an inviting home. He makes people want to stay. Studies show that scent is a powerful trigger for attraction. Taking care of your hygiene, using a subtle cologne, and keeping your skin soft and inviting can make an incredible difference in how desirable you are. Your confidence in self-care translates into confidence in intimacy, and that is magnetic. Second point. Intimate care is non-negotiable. Think of your body like a high-performance car. It needs maintenance to run smoothly, especially under the hood. Intimate hygiene and choosing breathable fabrics are key to feeling fresh and confident. A man who takes care of his intimate areas shows not only self-respect but also respect for his partner. A well-maintained body is an invitation for closeness. It says, "I care about your experience as much as I care about my own." Third point. The myth of size. What really matters in pleasure. For decades, men have been told that bigger is better, but that's far from the truth. Skill, confidence, and connection matter far more than size. Think of intimacy like a sensual dance. It's not about the size of the steps, but how well you move together. A truly attractive man isn't focused on his measurements. He's focused on creating an experience of pleasure and excitement. Most women crave emotional connection, foreplay, and attentiveness far more than any physical trait. When you tune into her desires and understand what excites her, size becomes irrelevant. Fourth point. Confidence and control, your most powerful assets. Confidence in intimacy isn't about ego, it's about deep self-awareness. A truly captivating man doesn't feel the need to boast or dominate. He simply knows what he brings to the moment and delivers it with ease. Think of a master chef. It's not about having the biggest kitchen. It's about knowing how to use the ingredients to create an unforgettable experience. True confidence is built from experience, learning, and a willingness to explore pleasure together. Women are drawn to a man who is both assertive and adaptable, someone who leads but also listens. Fifth point. Communication and seduction, the key to lasting passion. No matter how physically attractive someone is, a relationship without communication and emotional connection will fizzle out. The most sensual men are those who know how to talk, listen, and seduce with words as much as with touch. Great lovers understand that intimacy begins long before the bedroom. It starts with teasing, with curiosity, with asking the right questions and making your partner feel deeply desired. The best way to know what she truly wants? Ask, listen, explore. When you create a space of open communication, trust, and excitement, attraction doesn't fade, it deepens. And that's what keeps the fire burning for years. Final thoughts. Which of these insights resonated with you the most? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. If this video gave you new perspective, hit the like button. This small action helps more people discover content that enhances their relationships. Don't keep this to yourself. Share it with your friends who might need this reminder. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest discussions on intimacy, attraction, and relationships. It's been a pleasure sharing this with you. See you in the next video.